So what you doing here, Sean?
Sanding it. So when we put the paint on, it sticks real nice. Get all the stickers off and all the glue off.
Good thing we already took pictures beforehand.
That's what I said. Pictures of before, during, and after.
This ain't really a picture, though. But hey. We took off stickers from here, 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 all down this, here, here.
Getting ready to take the sprocket off and the chain.
Here, here. Getting ready to take this piece off. Got that off. And all the stickers there in the front and on the fork. So far, it turned out pretty good. There'll be more to come, though. We'll make sure of that.